Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denis and today I'm gonna show you how to edit shots like this in Lightroom. Alright, so before we start editing, I just want to make sure that you know that Lightroom Mobile is actually for free. You can download it in the App Store or the Android Store, is it called like this? I don't know, whatever. You can download it for free and you can start editing like this. So let's jump into Lightroom. Alright, so we are now in Lightroom. I forgot to mention that this preset is for free. You can download it, just read the description box down below or just follow the steps and do exactly how I do it. Whatever you like. And find the code, just read down below. Let's go. So I got this inspiration of this look when I was in New York, like a Gotham Batman kind of look. First things first, we're gonna bring the temperature up to 5632. Tint to -2. We're gonna bring the contrast up to +14. Highlights down to -30. Shadows up to +15. Whites down to -10. And the blacks up to +10. Okay, next thing, we're gonna go to clarity and lift it up to +21. We're gonna bring the dehaze tool up to +26. Vibrance up to +46. Okay, so next thing we're gonna bring the saturation down to -11. Alright, first thing is done. Next thing we're gonna go straight into color. Okay, so we're gonna bring hue to +5. Saturation down to -5. And luminance down to -20. Orange color next. We're gonna bring the luminance to -10. Everything else we leave it like this. Yellow color next. We're gonna bring the hue down to -5. Saturation of yellow to +10. And the luminance down to -15. We're gonna go to greens now. Hue -20. Saturation -30. And the luminance -20 again. Aqua color next. We're gonna bring the hue to -5. Saturation down to -10. And the luminance down to -20. Blue color next. We're gonna bring the hue down to -5. Saturation of blue down to -20. And luminance down to -15. Purple color next. Saturation down to -10. And luminance down to -10 as well. Magenta color next. Saturation down to -15. And luminance down to -10. Alrighty, next thing we're gonna do is split toning. We're gonna bring the highlights up to 207. And the saturation of highlights up to +9. Shadows next. Hue to +4. And the saturation of shadows +8. Okay, next thing, tone curve. Okay, so when it comes to tone curve, it is super important that you do exactly how I do it. Either you do it like really precisely or you just download the preset, but you have to find the code. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find it. Anyway, let's hop back into Lightroom. Ta-da! So this is the tone curve, guys. You have to do it exactly like this, how I do it. So this is the RGB, this is the red, green, and blue. Just make sure to stop the video and do it exactly like this or download the preset like how I said it. Okay, I think we are nearly done. The last thing we have to do is we're gonna go to detail. We're gonna add some sharpening. We're gonna bring the sharpening tool up to +15. And that's it. Okay, so next thing we're gonna go to effects. We're gonna bring the vignette tool down to -24. And the really important thing now, we're gonna bring the midpoint down to 0. That's nearly it. We just have to add some little bit of grain more and then it's done. The Gotham look is done. Okay, grain +15. And that's it. Before and after. I think it looks super dope. We're just gonna add a little bit of more exposure more and that's it. Francesca, you rock. Guys, thank you for watching and I hope you see us next time. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe because it helped me a lot. See you next time.